Hey guys, it's Chuck Setter from Warren Nissan in Bossier City. I'm here with this lady named Tanya. Tanya, you doing okay today?
I'm doing great.
Great. We have another customer testimony, and she's going to tell us a little bit about Nissan and how we've treated her in the past.
Okay, well, I've bought 2 cars from Chuck Cedric. He's awesome. He's funny. He's fun to work with. He's a genuine person, a truly genuine person, and I could tell that he really cared about my needs as a consumer, and as well as my personal needs. All my friends have come, not all of them, but I've had a few friends come to buy a car from him. Family have come, and everybody truly just enjoys their vehicle and the overall experience whenever they came here to work with him. So Nissan is a great product. I love my Nissans that I've had, and so come see Chuck, who will take good care of you.
I will take good care of you. That's for sure. And really, what I love my customers. They're just just beautiful. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? I'm at work, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
I have a wife, but anyways. But Nissan, yeah, come check us out. My name is Chuck Setter, 318-840-5411. Or you can call me, here at the store, 318-752-3000. Or hit me up on email, because I'm not part of the internet team. It's chucksaid3@yahoo.com, CHUCKSED3@yahoo.com. And that'd be the way you can get through to me on the internet. Thank you. Have a good day.
And like him on Facebook.
Oh, what?
Like him on Facebook.